Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sheisa's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to make this friendship band, which is very easy. If you have the yarn and the pearls, it is easy for you to make this friendship band. So let's see. This one you can make it loose and tighter. You can adjust the size. So let's see how to make this friendship band. For that I have here very thin yarn, the pearl, the needle and tape, scissors. Finally I have here the boat with the clip so that we can fix it here. No, if there is anyone to support, get the support of them to hold this, or you can use this boat and a paper clip also I have here. Now let's start. For that I have taken here 3 strands of yarn. One is 60 centimeter. These two yarns are 120 centimeter each. Here I have taken one stand which is 120 centimeter in length, approximately and 10 centimeter point. I'm going to make a knot, normal knot, and then I'm going to clip it here. Just remove this and keep it in this place. Okay. After this, without twisting these strands, let's keep like this till the end of this point, and after that I'm going to clip this one, this paper clip here, so it will not move. Just to secure only I did like this. This is the second strand which is having 120 centimeter length. This one I'm going to keep it under this. Just lift this and keep it under. This is the center point, and we are going to make a small knot here without changing the length. Before you tie, just check, is this equal? If it is not equal, you can adjust on this point and then make it tie. Now we are going to place this knot near to this one, the first knot. Let's place like this. We are going to work with these two strands. One is left and the other one is right. Take the left one, keep it like this over these two strands. Take the right one. This end we are going to insert or pass through under this two yarns. So you will cross these two yarns and this one also. Then once we reach inside, let's pull this end. On the other end also we will pull, and we are going to make a knot here. One. Now let's take the right one here, because we want to pass this left one into this side. So take this one and insert this same like before under this 3 strands of yarns. So it reached here. Now let's pull this point and hold the other end also. Slowly we'll make like this, slowly, so that we can adjust the length. Then it will go like this. So we have finished 2. Now the left one. Then We have finished here 6 times. When you count this strands over here, if you count, you will understand. We want to make 6 more times. Once I finish 6 more times, then we will see. Now let's leave these 2 strands as it is, and then we are moving to the down here. Remove this clip and we are going to insert the pearls into this yarn. Now let's take the needle and we are going to thread into this. And I'm going to take 10 beads to insert inside 1, 2, and same like it is, we will do with the second strand also, that's here. Again, let's place the clip back to its place like this, and now let's work with this strand, left side strand. Keep these 2 pearls or the beads like this, and then take this one, keep over these 2 strands on the other edge, take it and pass through this down, pull this, and then place it near to this beads like this. Little push back and keep this like, and again push this 2 so it will come like this. Take this one, keep it over this, the end will pass through this, just it comes like this. Again just push this backward little like this, push this 2 back, take this one, keep it over, and then we are going to pass through this. We don't tie anywhere, we will just take like this only. Okay, again and the last one. Let's make like this. And then the last one we will, one more time we will wrap around this, the last part, come out, one more time, just go back, and we are going to make a knot. Like this. Okay, now let's take this strand, the other one. We are going to work like this way. So take this one and keep it over this, the first one, and pass through this down. Okay, again, keep it over this, like this, take it back, little tight it, and then come to this another in between these two, keep like this, and I'm going to take it out through this way and make it little tight. Again, come to the next, go down, take it out, make it little tight. Again, come another, go down, pull this out, tight it. Again, make sure not to twist the yarn. And this is the last one. Let's come like this. Okay. Now we are going to make a knot over here. And then we will work same like this. How we will start from left, keep this one here, take the right one, go under this two strands, when it reach at the center, pull it. Okay, now right one, take this, go into the center, pull it. Here we have finished 12 times. Let's make a knot here. And then we will cut this yarn. As of now, our project looks like this. If you want to use as it is, you can use, just cut these two ends and then you can attach a bead, like one or two beads you can attach, and then you can use it. Now let's cut the excess yarns. Check your size and you can cut accordingly. I'm going to cut in this point. Let's keep like this. Stick the tape on both sides. In the middle, we are going to work with the small strand of yarn. In the center, we'll make a knot, same like before. We are going to make the knots. We'll start from the left, keep like this, insert the yarn into this, pull this. I have finished 12 times. Let's make a small knot here. And then let's remove this. Here we got the strap to adjust the size. If you check, you will be able to understand. See, you can pull this on the both the side and adjust the size like this. Now I'm just going to hide these two strands in. Make a small knot and we'll snip off. Go back into the circle and we'll make a small knot, and then we will snip it off. Same like this, I'm going to make it on the other side also. Now let's secure these two ends with the bead. Same like this. There are two beads. Now I'm going to make a small knot. So here our small and beautiful friendship band is ready. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.